Yarnsensation. Just click on my yarn lady or click the subscribe button. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Yarnsensation, and I'm so happy that you're here with me today. And I just wanted to share how I crocheted this cute little pouch and the materials that you will need. I will show those to you. And remember, you can choose whatever color you prefer to make your pouch. So let's get started. To get started, you will chain 25. You will place one single crochet in the second chain from the hook. And one single crochet in each chain across. Row 1, you will have a total of 24 single crochets. For row 2, you will need your second color. So next, chain 1, turn your work. You will be placing one single crochet in the next 1, 2, 3, 4th stitch, and you will also change color, but I will show you how. So in that first stitch, one single crochet, next stitch, one single crochet, next stitch, one single crochet, and in this next stitch you want to pull your yarn through. You will have 2 loops on the hook and leaving a small yarn tail with the second color. Pull your second color through both loops on the hook, holding on to your second color, the yarn tail, and the first color. Give it a little tug, and you will be carrying both of those on the back side of your fabric. So place your hook into that next stitch, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, and complete your single crochet. So this will start our second group color, and you will be repeating the same steps that you did here. One single crochet in the next stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch, that will be 3, and for that 4th one, single crochet, 2 loops on the hook, drop that second color, pull up on your first color, and just pull it through both loops on the hook. Pull your second color yarn tail just to tighten, and at this time you can stop carrying that yarn tail, but you will continue to carry the second color as you complete the next set. So you want to do your single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and on that 4th one, 2 loops on the hook, drop your first color, grab that second color, and pull it through both loops on the hook. And you just will be repeating the same steps with the second color. You want to complete a total of 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, and on that 4th one, 2 loops on the hook, drop your second color, pick up the first and pull it through both loops on the hook. Pull that second color yarn and complete your next set with the first color. Completing that 4th single crochet, and I want to drop my first color, grab my second color, and pull it through both loops. pull on that first color just to tighten, and I want to complete my last set of single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and the last one, 4. I will not change color here. I just want to complete a single crochet because it's the last single crochet of the row. So for row 3, you want to chain 1, turn your work, and remember to always carry this first color. And you want to complete your 3 single crochets, and in the 4th one you will change color. Okay, I am at my 4th. 2 loops on the hook, drop that second color and pull my first color through. And you just want to continue on completing those single crochets and remembering to change color once you reach the 4th one. And when you get to the end of the row, the color that you see or the last color that you have, you will chain 1, turn your work for your next row, and you just want to continue this pattern until you have a total of 15 rows, and we will meet back. I have completed row 15, and what I did as a reminder is to place a stitch marker, and that's just letting me know that this is the wrong side. And another way that you can tell is this yarn tail that you carried if you have not clipped it already. And then also remember that yarn tail, the beginning yarn tail, will be on the left side, and that will be the wrong side. So for row 16, you will not need your second color. So chain 1, turn your work. And if you're carrying your yarn tail before you cut it, just make sure that it is on the back side of your work. And next you will just single crochet across, carry that yarn tail several stitches, and then you can release it. Once you complete your single crochets across, the next thing you will do is chain 1, cut your yarn, just leave a yarn tail long enough to weave into the back side of your work. And also cut your second color yarn tail. You can clip this yarn tail as well. Now you can weave in your yarn tails. Okay, so once you have your 2 pieces, we will be weaving them together, and you just want to place one piece up with the wrong side facing you, and the other side, the wrong side, will be facing down. So we have right sides together. You can take your stitch marker whip stitch from the top along the side. When you get to this stitch marker, you will remove it, and you can place it in this corner to hold that part together, and just continue around and up, and you do not want to close the top. Okay, remove that stitch marker from up top and complete your last Once you complete your last join up top, you can weave in this yarn tail. Okay, next you want to turn it back to the right side. And the next step that you will do is put your zipper in